Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Ka kinhun menteri ka Sorkar MDA2 ha ka jingelam jeng u Konrad ke sangma kala shim ye ka rai ban phari Khreh kot Biang ye ki Ophisar Sorkar nadu ki IAS MCS MPS ki batre hala ki jong kitnat Sorkar hadin balawai ka jingelang yatu uba polingdo menteri social welfare. Habawanra yagatei kamad haga kinhun cabinet ban phalit Khreh kot Biang yaki Ophisar namar baladon kam ban pinthamai yaka jobing jongki Ophisar katkum ka jukstan menta yathu uba polingdo.
We took up the matter of toning up and upscaling the efficiency of the bureaucracy of the state, which is a very important link between the political executive and the public. So, in order to facilitate that kind of facility training, today the cabinet took up the item of mid-career sponsored courses for senior level officers belonging to All India Services, MCS, MPS, MFS, Forest Service and Finance Service. In the course of the discussion, we decided that we will encourage and incentivize our officers to continue learning by pursuing courses at various universities which provide higher degree and diploma courses. And these will be undertaken by our officers without any dislocation from work, meaning that they will not be taking any leave in the course of the training. There will be no study leave. They will be in a position to undertake such courses in the weekends or post office hours. And these courses have been identified, for example, MBA for working professionals offered by IIM Shillong, Masters in Public Policy, an online course offered by the OP Jindal Global University, C Professional Certificate Programs in Data Sciences and AI offered by Indian Institute of Information Technology, Bangalore, or University of Maryland, again an online course. Then is PhD program for working professionals offered by IIM Shillong, and part-time PhD for working professionals offered by Jindal Global Law School and IITs. E. Executive Fellow in Management or PhD in Management program offered by IIMs. So to incentivize these officers, the state government has agreed to a proposal to fund the tuition fees for the program up to a limit of rupees 15 lakhs.